Zen and Legend! Welcome to Zen and Legend! Yay! You guys ready for your project? Yes! Yay! All right, who wants to know what the project is?
Me!
Woo! You ready?
Yes!
Dun, 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 dun. We're gonna make really beautiful fall trees. You ready? Let's show you guys. Ready? Hey, wait a minute. What are we missing?
Leaves.
We need leaves. Zen, do
Let's
you have any leaves?
The Northwood has some.
Oh my gosh. Can you show us? Maybe you could put them in here. Go ahead. I already have some crushed up, but I'll let you do that. Beep, beep, beep. Awesome. Okay, now take the rest and crush them with your hands, and I'll show you what we're gonna do. Go like this. You crush it like this. Ellie, you wanna help him crush it a little bit? Good, crush them really nice and good. Wow, look at Zen crushing it. Ellie, would you like to crush these? You crush these with your hands. Go like this. Crunchy. Do you hear the crunchy noises? Wow. Crunch, crunch, crunch. And you can add them like this. You want to do that one? You can dump them in. Ready? Wow. Did you crush them all? This one's yours. This is a special paste. Now, we used cornstarch because we actually didn't have any glue. And you're going to paste this. You go like this. All over, only the top, all on the branches, okay? And then I'll show you what we're gonna do. You do that one, and Ellie, you're gonna do this one. And I'll help Ellie out. Hi, do you wanna do something? Do you wanna play with the bus and move it back and forth? Wow, awesome. Okay, put it on here, Ellie. Paint it on here. You love doing this? Cool. Okay, paint it on here. On the branches, good. Very, very sticky. Good job. Look at Ellie. Good job, Legend. Put it up here. All around on the top. Good. It's very sticky. Try not to get it on your hands. Keep it on the brush and only there, okay? Go ahead. Good. Only on the top. Do right here, Ellie. Get some right there. Put the glue right here. Awesome. Sticky, isn't it? Oh my goodness, it's so sticky, but we're gonna do something really cool with these leaves. Does anybody know why the leaves seem like they change colors?
Oh, I just put on the hair, but that's okay.
That's okay, we can wipe it off and clean it up, right? What did we learn?
But that's okay, that it will get off soon.
We'll get it off soon, you're right. That's really good. What did we learn? If we make a mess, we can clean it up.
I'll get some more glue.
A little bit more glue. And remember, we told our friends, if they don't have glue at home, they can use cornstarch as glue.
Look, she didn't put it.
Mommy actually found this cornstarch in the cabinet. Look at this, guys. This was a cool cornstarch I found. So we're using that as glue. That's cornstarch. You used to bake with, really, but we're using it for crafts purposes. This looks amazing.
You have no leaves on that tree.
Yeah, why are there no leaves on the tree? Did they all fall off? Because what season is it? What season are we in right now? Does anybody know?
Summer.
We're ending summer and we're approaching autumn. This is autumn, everyone. Do you guys see? Wow. Do we think there's going to be rainbows in autumn? Maybe a few, but it's mostly gonna be, it's gonna be a little bit rainy and thunderstormy, right? Oh my goodness, today it's kind of cloudy out. And yesterday was super hot, remember? Oh my goodness, when we were at the museum. So it's autumn right now. See how the leaves are all falling off the trees? Wow, and look, it's gonna be pretty windy tomorrow, I saw. So we'll put it like that. And is it gonna be wet tomorrow? Maybe a little bit, right? Because it's gonna be a little bit rainy. That's right. And is it gonna be hot?
Yeah.
No, it's gonna be a little bit cold tomorrow. So we're gonna move this down like that. Do you guys see? Look at this. So now we know what it's gonna be like. We can put this right here in the window so we know what the weather's gonna be like tomorrow. Isaiah, are you learning? Would you like a little snack over here from the snack tray? Hey, put it like this, Ali, look. Wow, can you do it? Okay, you put them on. Look at Ellie's tree. Wow. Sprinkle the leaves. Wow, guys, check out Zen's. This looks so cool.
Wait, idea.
What's your idea?
Sprinkle it.
Sprinkle it all on, look. And then you go like this and it'll stay. Wow.
Sprinkle it.
Add a little bit more.
Hey.
Oh my goodness.
Sprinkle it.
It's looking beautiful.
Sprinkle it. Sprinkle.
Sprinkle away.
Sprinkle away. I like that. Oh my, it's a little sticky on my fingers. That's okay, we can wash it, right?
Yeah.
Mom, do another.
Don't shake it out in there, okay? You want to shake it out in the little basket?
I'm doing again.
You want to do it again?
Yes.
You can do another one.
I'm doing another one, Dad.
Okay.
Okay.
Wow. Okay, Ellie. All right. Now it looks like Zen's finishing up Ellie's project. So I think there's a lot of glue on there, but if you want a little more, that's okay. You could even put some here because when the leaves fall, they fall where? To the
left.
to the left, but this is the left, right? But they fall to the ground, right? So some of the leaves are going to be on the ground. And look, does this look like the roots of a tree?
Yes.
Yes, it does.
I'm painting like this.
Mm-hmm.
But this. But
Okay, what happened? What season comes after fall? Do you know? Winter. Do you see the tree? What do you notice about that tree?
there's no leaves.
There's no leaves.
On this one.
There's a few leaves on there. Do you see the leaves? But they're coming off, right? And so when does winter happen? In what month? Let's see. Does winter happen? It starts around October, November, December. Those are the months that it starts to become winter, right? And then January comes after December, and January gets really, really cold, and that's when there's... Okay, so does anyone know why it seems like the leaves change colors in the fall? Isaiah, you don't know? No? Okay, Prosper doesn't know why, so we're gonna teach you. You ready? They change colors because they change...
Brown.
You're right.
And green.
They changed to reds, yellows, browns, but they were always those colors. It's just that the sunlight decreases when it becomes fall, so it seems like they change colors. The green actually fades away and all the other colors show up. Isn't that fascinating? Wow.
A carrot
Orange.
is another example. It's a perfect example.
Yes, a carrot.
Keratin that is inside a carrot is also found similarly in trees.
Mm-hmm. Did you guys like this project?
Yes.
Yes. Legend, did you like this project?
We just making.
What are you holding in your hand? What is that? A yellow school bus. Yeah, it's a yellow school bus. You want to do another project? I have an idea. Do you guys want to show them another project? You need a little bit more? Okay, here's a little bit more right here. There you go. There's a little bit in there. Go ahead.
But I want to
It's the same one. The same one's in there. Be careful with that. That's glass. We'd be so careful with glass, right? Because it could break if it fell on the floor. So we have to be super careful and hold it really tight. Yeah, what's this, Ellie?
It's rain.
It's a rainbow. You're right. Hey, that one's glass. That is actually metal, but it feels like glass a little bit. And it's because the inside of it's painted and it has a really nice little shine to it. It looks a little like glassy inside, but it's actually metal. Speaking of metals, so it's so good to use trees for some of our buildings. And back in the day, they used to use trees. But then they started converting to steels and metals. And that's what we were talking about, right? That's metal over there. But wood is very good because why? It collects sunlight and it photosynthesizes. This is so good for us to breathe. That's why it's good to have plants in our house, right? Plants are good for us. Plants to the rescue. We love reading this book. We borrowed this book from the library. And there's so many cool things we're learning about in here, right? What else? You want to read this one? What is this here? Do you know what this is?
Excavator.
An excavator. What's it doing? It's picking up the...
Wood.
And what's this here, Ellie? Who's this?
Clouds.
This is a construction worker, right? Is she sawing down the tree? What does she have on her face to protect her?
It's tractor creep.
Yeah, she's wearing a shield over her and a helmet and earmuffs so that because the chainsaws are super loud, right? So you have to protect your ears, right? That's right. What's he doing over here? What's he doing? You eating a little snack over there? A treat. Is that a little chocolate treat with nuts inside? Yum, that's a healthy sweet treat. What's this here? What's he doing? Is he planting a tree? Wow. Hey, that in your hand, that looks like a log right here. They're very similar. And some trees are long and thin like this one, and others are a little bit bigger like this. This is such a cool book, guys. Aw, is there a nice way you can ask him for it back? No, thank you. Can you ask him in a nice way? No, thank you. Would you like to borrow the other bus? Hey, wait a minute. Don't we have another bus somewhere? Where's the other bus?
Oh no, the pink one.
Where is it?
It's pink one.
Oh, it's back there. It's behind Isaiah. There it is. Do you want a little snack? Okay, let's give Isaiah a little snack over here, guys. Ready? Isaiah, would you like some little banana chips? Here you go. You want some?
Here, Mommy.
What do you say?
There's the bus.
Thank you. I don't know. Daddy said he put it somewhere. Well, this was so much fun, and we are going to make another project in a little bit. If you guys like this video, you can give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Hey, let's check out this picture you made. This is looking gorgeous. You know what I like about this? There's not a lot of leaves on it. That means what? How do you think the leaves fell off? What made the leaves fall off?
Tree.
The wind, right? Did the wind blow and they fell off?
Look, I
Can you blow the leaves off the tree? Let me see. Wow, he's blowing it.
But that didn't work.
Plants form a cell wall in between the
Yeah,
leaf
it worked.
and the tree.
Did you hear Daddy? The plants form a cell wall in between the leaf and the tree, and that's why they fell off.
Conserve energy, right? So the whole summer they are making energy, and then they are getting ready for winter. So they are conserving energy.
Wow.
And the simple sugars stay in the leaves, and everything else is conserved by the tree. So it tightens up and it loses its leaves.
But guess what? They're gonna come back in the spring again.
Yay!
That's awesome. Did you like the video? Yay! That was so cool. See you later, guys. We'll see you next time. I say bye. Beep, beep. If you guys like this video, you know what to do. Give us a thumbs up and follow us. And stay tuned for our really cool next video as Zen, Legend, and Prosper do a cool unboxing of their favorite new toy, the construction site video. This is one of our favorite new videos. Can't wait to share. And be a... Woo! Good.
There.
You did amazing.
I did a little bit there. But
That's
that's okay.
That's okay. You did such a good job. I'm so proud of you.
That's it for now, guys. Bye-bye. See you next time.
Wow. Bye. See you later. Bye, guys.